It's the last day. Summer is here, right? Final day for our Tea Thoughts summer box that we've made into a countdown box. So exciting. All right, so we have our extra little goodie and we have this. Day 7. All right, let's open this. Pretty sure we know what's in it because I was super excited when it came. Oh, and a pin. Okay, this here is a magnet and it is just the most adorable guy one and it's so cute. And I actually really wanted it, so it's spectacular. And look at this teapot, it's so adorable. Enamel pins, her enamel pins are really well done. And it has the nice rubber stopper on the back of it. I find that makes all the difference to keep them on. So yeah, so cute. That. Adorable. And it was in this little organza, is that what they say? All right, you know the rules. It says on the back what it is. We're not gonna peek. This one might be more difficult to open. It looks like she's made it super secure. Nothing we can't overcome. Can you see anything yet? Sounds and feels like maybe a glass bottle. It's liquid. It's another one of the sound. Sparkling chamomile. Oh, with vanilla and elderflower. Elderflower. I'm not usually a huge fan of chamomile, but I do love vanilla. And I'm pretty sure I like elderflower. And this, like the other one, is organic and unsweetened. Look at how sunshiny that is. Like, oh, that's perfect. And this is what they say. We already read that before. Let's look at the ingredients. Oh, there's lavender extract in here. Okay, filtered sparkling water, elderflower extract, chamomile extract, vanilla extract, lavender extract, cinnamon extract, citric acid, certified organic. And it's from New York, New York. So pretty. We know not to shake this. Oh. Gary's over there laying down. I love that. I know it says sparkling chamomile. I can taste the chamomile. I think the biggest thing with me in chamomile is that as long as it's not like the only thing, maybe that's the thing, as long as it's not the only thing. And this here has, like, you know, the vanilla. Oh, that's wonderful. And I can taste the lavender. That's gonna be delightful iced. Yum. She was very brave in mailing liquids. I hope everybody that got a box received their stuff all safe and sound. Sound. That's the name of the company. That's funny. It's the morning. I'm doing this in the morning because finally going to get our haircut. Yeah, so not quite sure what I'm gonna have done. But probably, like, you know, trim a bit off. I've been growing out my gray. I don't know if you've noticed. but that's been like a year-long process, probably like maybe a year and a half. So it's taken a while. I want to know what you guys thought of the summer box and how we did it as a countdown together. And if that made you happy, please help my channel out. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. That definitely helps my channel out. And until next time, I will see you in the comments down below. Until next time, take care. Bye.